Hello everyone, it's Recharger here and welcome to a 143 scale video. And today we have this magazine version or slash this like Deagostini card line, which is not the most expensive, and but at least they get some cars done which nobody else probably would or will. So this is it's a Russian car. Well, it used to be. I can see still some of these in my country drive around in the summer season. This is called the Moskvich 407. Yeah, so let's get it off the base. Well, this like cardboard slash plastic base. Call it as you wish. These usually come with like magazines. I already took my magazines to my workplace because they're in, I have no use for them. So, got a little mirror which you need to be very, very careful. This is a metal body, plastic base, hard rubber tires. Get some details on the base here, like mud flaps to the back. You got your drive shaft and like a gearbox, exhaust. Not the baddest stuff. Windshield wipers are a bit high. They're usually lower, but okay. You get these lensed headlights, lensed tail lights. Most of the pieces are all separate, like this piece here. It's an ornament. Also, you can grab here and open the back. You can see those bits here. Those are the like hinges. Sorry for the shaky hands. I don't know why I have shaky hands. The back bumper looks weird. I don't know if it's supposed to be like that. Maybe it's supposed to be upside down. I don't know. Maybe it is supposed to be like that. Not fully sure. Yeah, it feels like it should have been like upside down or something. I'll have to compare it on the internet and see what gives. I have another one which is similar to this one, or maybe it's the exact one. I'm not fully sure. I think it's the front end is different, and mine is like in this cream white. Also, the base is very loose. Might have to screw it down. Yeah, I'll have to screw it down to make it more. That's the front. The back. I got a cramp in my. Ow! I had a cramp. Like my hand was stuck like this for a second there. It's fine. And it's still a little bit loose, but it's not the worst thing ever. Like I said, these are not very high value or high detailed, but if nobody makes them, or the other makers who make them are extremely expensive, then this is the next best thing. Also, I got these like for very cheap, so I'm not really complaining. So yeah, there's this one. Also have the wagon version, that will be in another video. Hopefully in the same week that I'm filming this one. So yeah, that's all I can show and tell. You can like, you can subscribe, you can comment if you want to, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.